said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You could miss it.
Well, today's video is test fitting and testing the Gecko suspension coilovers. Yeah, we're going to give them a go and we're going to see what we think. We're going to open the box, take a load of photographs, and then get them fitted to this. We're also testing some coilover covers from a local company, a nice guy that's made them up for us. So we'll give him a shout out in the video comments at the bottom. Yeah, so this one is a nice FN2 in bronze, as you can see. It's on 3DSMs. A little bit different to what you normally see on an FN2. But yeah, just a little bit of a subtle drop, I think, on coilovers. And we'll see how we get on. It's got some lovely carbon bits, this one. It's got a nice splitter. Yeah, let's get them fitted. These are our covers. Well, Jason's copper slipped them all up, ready to go on. He's just brought the car in. There it is, looking nice. Well, there we go, they're going in nice. They're very pretty. Very colourful. Look brilliant in those colours. Well, we've decided that these Gecko coilovers will go a lot lower than the BCs that we fitted to the FN2 the other day. So there's a lot more adjustment in them. So it will go a lot lower. So that's good for you guys that want to slab it. That looks sick. So after fitting the Gecko coilovers, we've had some custom made coilover dust jackets fitted and they look pretty good actually. It's sort of a matching colour. These keep them all nice and clean, and Jason's obviously copper slipped everything up, so these will be like brand new for a long time, which we're quite happy with. But yeah, I think that's a good purchase, those are. So you'll be able to see those on our website when they go live. Lovely guy makes these, so I shall give him a shout out. Well, doesn't that look pretty? Nice one, Jason. She is looking sweet. Yeah. I can't believe how low they can actually go compared to the BCs. But yeah, impressed with that. Let's take some photographs. On for its test drive. And then it's me next. Well, I've just been out in this FN2 with the Gecko coilovers on it. And I'm happy. It seems really nice. It's comparable to the BC coilovers. We've set this up on its softest setting, so obviously there's room for adjustment. It is quite low and it will lower further than the BC coilovers. Yeah, so we like them, so this seems good. Let's see, let's hope they yeah, let's hope the customer loves them as much as we do. I think they will. There's obviously there's 12 months warranty on all of this sort of stuff, so we know we're in safe hands with Gecko suspension. So yeah, so more photographs to come, and then we'll do an update video later on at some point when we've got the car back in, and we will get a verdict from the customer. But I'm really happy, like comparing it to other FN2s that I've driven. Yeah, good stuff, so happy with that. thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you want and all that. And remember, if you commented inside or in the comments and stuff and we see you, you're going to win some stuff eventually. So every month at the end of the month, we're going to give away merchandise. I know you guys love hoodies and t-shirts and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, let us know what suspension you're on. And yeah, we'll go from there. Cheers, guys.